Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Adil and today is upgrade time. Yes, it is snowing, but we have an absolutely awesome conversion to show you guys. Mercedes GLS. So I'm going to walk you through some of the upgrades that we've carried out on the vehicle. To start with, we've done the full satin conversion. So this is full paint protection film carried out in our workshop facilities here in Cambridge. It looks absolutely fantastic. We've left some areas of full gloss PPF, so they are still protected. So like the wing mirrors and a couple of other areas across the vehicle, they are still protected with our clear film. However, the satin conversion looks absolutely phenomenal and really does transform the vehicle. Over to the front grille. So we've actually installed the new front grille as well. Different style, looks absolutely fantastic. Plus actually retains the camera as well, which is quite cool. Then over to inside the vehicle, we've actually taken off the original steering wheel and done a full retrim on that as well. Looks absolutely fantastic. That's had a full black Alcantara on there as well. But overall, an incredible result of the vehicle. Looks absolutely stunning and completely different to how its life began before it entered our facility. But hopefully you guys have enjoyed today's video. Look forward to seeing you soon.